Hi guys, today we're going to talk about internal R&D and product development expenses. So if you're looking to track these particular expenses, then this template will be helpful to you. We have got a database at the bottom which shows all the internal expenses that we're incurring along with all the related details like the name, the team involved, expense category, description, cost and all the things. Okay. So up against this database, we have created a summary section which has three views like in progress projects. So if there are any projects which are in progress, like the status is in progress, you can see that particular expense visible over here. Then we have a team allocation board, which shows all the expenses as per the different teams that are allocated on the projects. So we have a design team, the dev team, and all the team member allocations that are visible over here. Then we have an expense category. So if you check this team allocation, the grouping has been done by the team involved. Then we have expense by category. So again, these are the expenses which are put under different categories as per the groupings. Okay. So all these things that you see over here have been created for the use case of the person who is going to use this template. You can obviously make changes to all these things that you see over here and create your own views as per your requirement. This is just a sample use case for your requirement. So besides this template, I would also like to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion database in order to generate the documents. So if you click on create PDF for free, we have single PDF and multiple PDF. For each of the section, I have added the video at the bottom along with the instructions which you can read to understand how exactly it works. But essentially, you can create PDFs in bulk utilizing a Notion database from multiple PDF, and you can create single PDF utilizing a Notion page and a single PDF. Okay, so this tool is very handy to generate PDF documents. I hope you take advantage of this tool to start generating documents for your business. Besides this, if you have any questions or queries, you can go to the contact section at the bottom under the home page. Put your message over here, and I'll be happy to assist you with any of the issues which you might be having. Or you can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you with any queries or any issues for the specific template or any requirement whatsoever. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.